Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving a copy so you can undo major mistakes. That protects your original. Then select the exact text or object you want removed using mouse drag, Shift plus arrows, or Control plus Shift for word jumps. Once selected, press Delete or Backspace to erase immediately, or use Control plus X to cut when you may need it on the clipboard. If you need to remove images or shapes, click the object border first, then hit Delete. This establishes a safe, precise first pass. Once text is gone, you often need to erase leftover formatting. Use Home, then clear all formatting to strip fonts, bold, and direct styles from selections. For repeated content, open, find, and replace Control plus H, enter the phrase or special character, e.g., P for paragraph, and replace with nothing to delete across the dock. If formatting persists, update or delete the applied style from the Styles pane so changes apply globally. This prevents manual fixes on every paragraph. To finish, handle revisions. If track changes is on, use Accept or Reject to make deletions permanent, and then turn off track changes to stop new markup. Next, run Document Inspector to erase metadata, hidden text, comments, and personal information that survive visible erasing. Save your cleaned file, export a PDF if you need a fixed snapshot, and quickly rescan layout and headers to ensure nothing shifted. If content reappears, check for linked fields or embedded objects and update, or unlink them before saving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.